Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. Recently, SushiSwap broke out a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after that, we had a very nice rally, but the price then formed a double top at this long-term resistance of $2.75. You can see that the pricing got rejected here, again dropped down and got rejected once again, and dropped down. And now recently, we have broken out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $2 and goes to $2.60. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously this resistance line had been breaking other resistance line here and here, and so many rejections we got by this resistance line. And therefore now after this breakdown, it can be again flipped into a strong and long-term resistance line for the price line of sushi swap. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we broke out this wedge here in the month of October 2023. We got rejected by this long-term resistance line after this short rally and again dropped down, and here for a while the price then broke out once again almost 2 weeks ago this resistance line, but got rejected by the next long-term key resistance of $2.75 that was previously working as support here. Now it is flipped into a resistance. By the way, if I place this Fibonacci tool, the measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 485%, but still a very big move due. And that is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will also discuss that target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. Just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Zcash, just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 29th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this for the buying sign and sell target sign and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying sign and rallied to the sell target sign. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, the price on SushiSwap was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, we broke out the resistance. And by the way, I've been telling you that target for the breakout from this wedge will be here. Even before the breakout, I was telling you at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2.10. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.75. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $2.75 has been previously working as a support here in the month of March 2022. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And now after this rejection, we have broken down this very long-term resistance zone that was recently working as a support zone. You can see that after the breakout, Ryzen has been testing this level as support zone, but now we have broken it out. And for the past several days, the Ryzen is again trying to break it out, but could not break out so far because this is a very long-term resistance zone, and it will be now again difficult for the Ryzen to break it out. And previously, you can see that this resistance zone has been breaking as a very strong resistance zone since after the month of May 2022 up till the month of April 2024. We got several rejections, so many rejections by this resistance. And therefore, now to continue this rally to the upside, now we need to again break it out. By the way, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge, you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price line has turned parabolic bullish, but still a very big move due for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.